What's going on, everyone? This is 9th March. It's Sunday today. Welcome to Gold Analysis video, and we are going to talk about gold weekly analysis for the coming week. How gold can we have next week? This is what we are going to discuss, and we will start with the monthly time frame first. And in monthly time frame, the price has still willingness to go to the upside. This current monthly candle still have 22 days left to close, so we might see a taste of gold can still taste high of February, okay, and then continue moving to the downside. But still, overall, the price looks quite bullish, and we have this monthly order block in November and December, and the level is 2760 to 2600. So this monthly order block can support the price higher again. So these are going to be a very important support in coming months. But so far, the price looks still quite bullish in monthly time frame. Let's see what we have in weekly time frame. So if you see the weekly time frame, the last week candle, we saw this massive candle, and it was bearish candle. And it has taken the high of this previous week's candle, and then it moved to the downside, and it was a weekly bearish engulfing candle, so which shows a willingness for price to go to the upside. But one thing which is worth mentioning here, that it respected this fair value gap as well. Okay, it respected this fair value gap in weekly time frame, and then it moved up. So like price has already taken out this internal range liquidity. So after the internal range liquidity, it's nature of price that it always seek for external range liquidity. Okay, so from here we can see the gold going to the all time high again, and then getting reversed from here, from there. Okay, so I already have, like, I don't have a clear bias in gold, and the reason is this weekly bearish engulfing candle, and now this inside bar. Whenever there is an inside bar, it shows a consolidation character of price, and this is what happened yesterday. Okay, this is the inside bar. After this huge weekly candle to the downside, the next candle closed bearish, or like the next candle closed inside the body of this previous weekly candle, which shows that the price is consolidated, and it doesn't had any good opportunity to trade, or a consolidation phase of the market. And this is what happened, and this is what I wanted to explain here. Okay, this is this entire consolidation which we saw last week, and we have traded inside this only. The low of this range is 2890, the high of this range is 2930, and we traded inside this 400 pips of range. And like now it becomes very difficult to trade inside this range. As long as gold is trading inside this range, it's not possible to get really quality setups. Okay, so I would prefer to get breakout to any side, let it be to the upside or to the downside, but it needs to break, and that's where we will see the quality setups. Okay, but the probability of it getting higher and touching this level around 3000 or 3030 is higher, if we consider the fundamental factors, because we have the trade wars uh, and uncertainty in due to Trump's tariff things and trade war situation. I'm not going deep into the fundamentals as I'm not completely aware, but I know how it is impacting. And this week of consolidation, it was a really nice week to trade for us, but I don't want it to keep on continue, because it becomes very difficult when it's ranging market for us to find a high probability setup. Okay, so this is what we have. And now if we look at this daily candle, you know this was Monday's candle. The week started here last week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So Monday and Tuesday, these 2 days, we tried to uh, go for higher prices. It was bullish days, which was really nice. But then on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, it consolidated. Like Friday was extremely difficult to trade, because this candle on Friday, uh, it is a indecisive candle. Okay, if you can see here, we don't have a proper bearish candle, neither we have a proper bearish candle, nor we have a proper bullish candle. So this kind of candles, if they print like this, it becomes very difficult to see what is going to happen next. Okay, so it was a pure consolidation. If you look at into the 4 hourly time frame, this was a consolidation, and we want to get rid of this consolidation to plan a good quality trade. Okay, and Let's see how we can plan the trade. So if you see the daily time frame, we have, sorry, we have this market structure shift from this. Okay, and now price is retracing to the upside. Okay, so for bears to come, it will have to break. Wow, just a minute. Okay, so if you look at the daily time frame, we have already saw this market structure shift in daily time frame around here, and this important zone. As long as we are trading below this range, there are potential chances that we can see a move like this. Okay, so this is what we can see gold in the next week, and it will have to break above this zone. Like this will be a invalidation, this zone 29.35 to 29.28. Okay, as long as the price is trading inside this or below this level, there are chances that we can see some lower prices. Okay, so this is very important resistance. Okay, I'm just gonna mark it with different color. Okay, so 29.30 35 is going to be a very important resistance, and once we get a break above this, then we will see a new high, that's for sure, and that would be $3,000 to $3,050. Okay, and if price to move and if price wants to move lower, it will have to break below this zone which I have marked. Okay, if it is breaking below this level, then it will become a easy sell from here. Okay, it will have to break below this level, which is 2880 to 2871. Below this level, the sellers will accelerate it, and the new level, the new support will become this zone. Okay, because this is a order block in the expansion move to the upside. This is a bearish candle which will become the support. And if we talk about the levels, the levels are 2873 to 2738. Okay, so this is what I see, and let's go one more time frame lower from here. Okay, but 4 hour doesn't show any kind of clear sign. The only thing I can see here is it is a bearish engulfing candle in the 4 hourly time frame, because it has taken the high of the previous candle and closed below the opening price. So it is a sort of bearish engulfing candle, so which can trigger a sellers from here, and we can see some more sell off. Okay, so I have a mixed bias. I'm neutral to bearish in the coming week, and I still think, as long as we are trading below this zone 28.30 35, we can see some sell off. Okay, and I want to see a break below this level. This is a bearish bullish order block, and invalidation of this bearish order block will trigger the sells to this level. Okay, and the level is this 28.33 to 28.30. So this is what I'm looking, and let's see what we have in terms of economic data. So in terms of economic data, we have Monday is going to be relatively calm because we don't have any important data. Tuesday we have jobs job opening data, and it's important, but I don't think it will move the market. It will impact the market in that significant way. Okay, Wednesday also we have core CPI, it's very important. Okay, CPI data is going to be a kicker in the market, and I think only on Wednesday we will see breakout of the range which we've been talking about in this video. Okay, and also we have PPI unemployment claims, and then we have consumer sentiment data and inflation expectation. So these are some random data which won't impact, but this core CPI data and CPI and PPI, these are going to be kicker for this week. Okay, so that's what I see, and I'm neutral to bearish as long as 29.35 29.30 is getting supported. Okay, and I will just give an update on GBPCHF, which we have sent to Telegram channel, and we had a really nice trade, but the entire move to the downside got faded out. So we will see in the daily time frame. Yeah, daily time frame still shows the closing of this Friday's candle. I don't like it. But it's not that concern. Okay, we can still see some lower prices from here, and this is going to be our resistance. Okay, all the bad thing is only that this order block, this daily order block, and if we measure the 50% of this daily order block, sorry, from this level to this level. So 1.1433 is where the price can still go, and then we can see sell off. Okay, but I'm still firm on this trade, and we will see this sell off. This is what I expect, but nothing is certain in this market. So if you are into this trade, we already booked half. 1.3670 was our entry, and it moved down around 50 pips, and that's why we need to secure our partial and let the remaining run. So this is what we have already done. So let's see how it goes. So GBPCHF will be on radar next month, and BTCUSD already sold off. We had this trade, and we had only this target from this level. So it was a 1 is to 2 RR trade, which we have already done. So in daily time frame, things are looking very ugly for BTC USD. This is this rejection block in daily time frame. If we are, if it's get if it get disrespected, then there will be a sell off for sure, and it will be very ugly. Okay, so I will keep on updating on BTC. So far it looks quite bearish, and gold also I'm neutral to bearish, and JBPCHF. So these three things as of now I have seen, and I have shared my analysis on, and I will keep on updating, and I will try to post video each and every day. Depends on how the response I'm getting from you guys, and I will keep on sharing my setups, and I will try to give the exact pinpoint entries to you. So let's see. Let's hope for a good week. That's it for now, and all the best for next week. Stay safe, and thank you so much for watching.